How to cancel payment on Skrill. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel pending payment on Skrill. Now, Skrill to Skrill transfers are considered final and irreversible once the transaction has been fully processed. Now, if the transaction has been completed, then you'll have to contact the recipient to resolve the issue directly. However, if the status is pending, you can cancel the transfers from the transaction sections in your account. Now, in my case, I don't have any transactions here, so it's not showing up. But if you do so, if you have on the application or if you have on the browser, if you want to do it on any application or the browser, then you can do it. What you will need to do is you'll have to open up your Skrill application or the web page, and there, if you want to do it on web page, you can head into skrill.com, or on the application, then you want to head into the transaction sections, where if your pending payment is there, it will show the payment and there will be shown the pending option. There you'll just have to tap and open up the transaction that is pending, and there once you tap on it, you'll be able to cancel it. So this way you can cancel the pending payment on Skrill. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.